Hey guys, so just a little quick update, little tiny short video, I promise. Um, so far, it looks like the budget on the C20 pickup is pretty much out the window now. I can see if I can make up some of it by selling more parts off of it, but I just ran into a few issues. Basically, I was here pressing out the old pistons and stuff, and I ran into a mishap where this is the aftermath of one of them. This is a brand new piston, and I mispressed in the pin, just trying to push it out, and piston exploded. I also broke two rods, so I'm basically down two rods and a piston right now. So, um, I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep the budget like I had in mind, but we're going to keep trying. It sucks, but I'm going to order in just some stock rods and pistons. It'll be mismatched, but whatever. At this point, I'm just trying to get this engine slapped together. Just real quickly, I did make a little bit of a video for you guys on honing the block and like disassembling it and all that, but I was waiting till I got the pistons back in so I can make one comprehensive video, but looks like that's not really going to happen. That video will come out as soon as I get all this stuff back in, but thank you guys for being patient with me, and yeah, we'll get it done soon, promise. All right, have a good one. Catch you guys later. Let me know if you guys have any questions.